Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, your girl Magnetic Jessie.
It's me. Whatever,
She coming out with her own channel.
Whatever that name is.
Cause you always have something different, right?
For real.
So we got lobster tails. We got shrimp and scallop. She don't really like scallop. I do. I think it does something to the skin. There is cinnamon. Yummy. So, I concoct this a little bit. I don't know if she's gonna like it.
I like onions, but those two.
Grab this or shrimp.
Yeah,
So it can be little.
Oh man.
Let's go. Oh yeah, we just get right into it. Okay, let me not use Cardi B's. You know,
I'm done.
But yeah, we're just gonna go right into it. I made it in the skillet, and I was like, I don't know if it's gonna. Look at that. Is it good? Without, right? So. I made it the same way when I went on this date. This guy had like personal chef, whatever. And I saw how they made it. How it tastes with that? I didn't taste it with that. Take some ginger. There's ginger.
That's good. Spiciness to it.
What? With some sweetness, like. This is clean. I can put it right here. Oh my god. We don't even have to talk right now. I was like, we're gonna be talking, but.
Okay, good.
I was thinking about Stephanie. I was thinking about a video. My hair cut off, girl. It's been a minute since I uploaded. I get messages like, when are you gonna upload? I'm sorry. It was so good. That's what you was about to say? I should have made more lobster tail.
I thought you were gonna make more.
I gotta make more and order more. So good. You know I'm uploading it now. Even with my head all cut off. And just pull this out. You see how I did some, the whole thing, and then the others is like half and separate. You see that, right?
Just double.
Wow.
I'm getting fuller.
For real. You see why I didn't make all this? I think that was gonna happen. That's why.
You know when you like something you feeling for, and you finally eat, it's like.
And I noticed with like seafood like this, because it takes so much work to peel it and you get full fast. You see how I put the onions in big clumps? I ain't got time to cut.
I don't do onions. That's all.
Did I go anywhere today? I feel like I did. I didn't. I was in a good mood. Very good mood. You know, lately I was like, yeah. I was in a good mood. The way that ginger go down.
Yeah. It's like so good. Like, give me some spice.
You right?
So good.
Okay. Like a sweetness to it. Oh. I hope it wasn't like blurry for a minute. I'm gonna grab some. I was like, I don't know. I just put it in the oven and I just started mixing.
Let me try some onion. I don't do onion, but let me try some.
Try it with together. With ginger. Oh, I'm full. They didn't even have to do the freaking shrimp. Definitely. You know? This, the shrimp tastes so good with this too. It like give it a kick. Especially the shrimp, I think.
Yeah.
Right? The shrimp by itself is like, it's good, but it better with this. This one you can eat by yourself and it's bomb with that.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
An apple.
Right? Girl. Mind you, well, I'm not going to say I didn't eat all day because I was nibbling as I'm making.
Yeah.
I'm full. Oh, wow. It was only 7 minutes. It's going to be another short one now. Let's see. Wow, we still got like. Hold up, let me put on the side. Right? What's this? This done? Okay. We got, but we ate.
Yeah. Let's take that. I can't do that full. This is my last one.
For real.
This is my last one. I'll probably do it the shrimp. This thing for filling.
I had 2 lobster tail already. No. I didn't eat. I'm talking about instead of the ones that we bought, I had 2 extra. So it's in here somewhere, whatever. And then I think there's like a couple more. Luckily, Tyler eats.
Right, he about to demolish that last one.
Oh, excuse me, guys.
He could do a walk-in?
Like he usually do, right? But I told him no, and he's sick, so he's not gonna walk it. Not today. I doubt it. I'd be surprised if he do.
You sound right like I made it.
Last night. I should have recorded. I had the best mussels in my life. The best.
I had good mussels in a minute.
Oh my God.
I felt better than some.
Better than mine. You know, people be like, oh, mine is the best. I cook the best. No. I hate cooking mussels. Actually. I hate it. But the way they did it. So good. Those are one of my favorite cups. Right? I love cups.
Child, do not take her to Target.
Oh! She be like, you already got a cup. I be like, no, but now
but
it's
this
old
one is
because it was in the kitchen for a day.
And it's so true. And she laughing like she's not talking about herself.
Like, I like my cups to be hid. If it's in the kitchen, For a day, I'd be like, it's
Just
tainted.
step out the room for 2 seconds.
No, someone used it. I don't know what they did. All of a sudden, the cup is dirty. Mind you, the thing says gorgeous or super mom.
I'm done.
Scorpio, and I'm the only Scorpio, so
right.
Yeah, I can keep that one too, right? But this one is the best. This one, Hey Arnold, is still.
Anyways, that's not going away, even if you go in the kitchen for 2 seconds. Exactly.
I love it.
You just got issue with cups.
That one is definitely. Hey Arnold is. Even if you go in the kitchen, but it won't be no kitchen for a day.
I'm done.
Okay. So that's why it's always gonna. This one for sure. This for sure. Mind you, Hey Arnold is sentimental and it got my name on it. Excuse me.
I'm done.
This one got my name on it. Check out prettyyoko.com. And then I have another one. It's actually in this box right here. Ooh.
Oh, yesterday.
Scared me. The lavender. It's legitimately lavender, guys. Lavender. Smell.
You can't smell it. You gotta squeeze it.
No, smell it though. Smell it. You tell me you don't smell it?
No, I don't. Now smell it. Exactly. You got calm, man.
It hit my nose like a speck just said, and I was like, oh. That's why the other day I was wondering if you could smoke it. I googled it.
Mm-hmm.
You could.
Mm-hmm.
That's what people need to start doing: smoking some lavender and like calm the f down.
It'll put you to sleep. Like
you tried it?
Night. No, I'm going to, but no.
Oh, let me know. Let me know if it put you to sleep. Don't mind my hair.
I'm saying like throughout the night. That's what they say.
It's not like I don't glue and all of that extraness, guys. How it look though?
Good.
Yeah. That's how we are. We be like, ew, like if somebody cooks something, they be like, oh, this is nasty. But in reality, how it smell?
It smells good.
They do?
Unless it's like your perfume or something, but it smells good. It don't smell like
always smell good.
They stop.
Yeah, before they think I really stink. That's how we are, guys. Like if something is good, we be like, ew. Like, you know, I think Junior started that one too. When I used to cook,
ew, licking the whole bowl.
Yeah, when I used to cook and he would eat, he'd be like, "This nasty," and then he licking the. I miss those days. I miss
New days to come. New days to come.
My head is all good.
Excuse me.
In my head, I was like, "She ain't gonna burp louder than me." She's coming out with a page, guys.
Yeah.
She is.
I figure out names. That's my thing.
Once you do, girl, she gonna be more consistent than me. You guys know I'm like wish-washy. I try not to be, but like life happens. Life happens. But I'm trying.
Yeah.
I'm trying though. For real, guys. What are you, Aquarius? She's Aquarius because I know I said I was a Scorpio, so you guys need to know her sign. She is an Aquarius. And Scorpios are like really nice, but just don't mess with us because we always sting, right? Yo, you gotta think the opposite, okay?
I'm done.
Hold up, am I gonna eat anymore? I really don't know if I'm not. I don't think
so.
I'm full. It was so fucking good. Oh, am I supposed to bleep that out?
Stiff where?
What's stiff?
My hair.
It's a little bit stiff.
Not at all.
Let me stop. And it don't even move. Girl. Mine move. This is my hair.
That's such a stiff. Anyways. Sure, my hair is poofed up. It's because I put grease in it.
Yo, I love my hair though. I ain't even gonna lie. This is the best. This is the best. The best. All right. Yes, I like it funky.
Yeah, I didn't get to fluff it. You rushed the video. And it's supposed to be like this.
I call this girl since what time? Oh, I'm cleaning. I call her back. Hello? I call her back again. I put on my shoes 5 minutes, and this is how she come.
I wasn't ready.
Well,
it's not my fault.
At least you look good still.
Period.
Periana.
Period.
Period. What the next food should be? I think it's gonna be
salad.
No.
Avocado.
I know I love salad, but no. Ooh, you could do like a Starbucks one and you dip it in the
avocado.
Yeah.
No, I thought it was guacamole. It's avocado.
But yeah, guys, I'm about to get off because I'm full. And I wanted to stop in and say, hey, like, comment, and subscribe.
Ding.
And follow us on Instagram. I'm going to put both our Instagrams below. And I have a Instagram page for like this. And I know I changed the name, but this is going to be the final name. And the name is Manger M. Jessie. Isn't that dope? Manger M. Jessie. Right? That means eat.
I was gonna change my
I'm just
something.
Magnetic
Not
Jessie.
similar, but
Do that. Manger?
Not that.
Come on.
But you gonna see it.
Anyways, Manger M. Jessie. And then I have my main page is Magnetic Jessie. And then I have the clothing, which is Pretty Ilka. PrettyIlka.com. Everything will be below.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Peace. Do you want to do the hand thing or you want me to do the hand thing?
I'm too short.
Okay, I'll do the hand thing. Y'all gonna see. Let me stop. Hand thing.